college is the first new college of advanced technology for 22 years, but actually has a rich history of providing skills training, which dates back to the late 1960s when employers worked together to try and develop the skills needed by their workforce.
In work-based learning, they learn partly in college and they learn partly at work, and so that the mesh between the college and the employer is absolutely vital right away from day one.
They spend time in the machine shop, hands-on with grinding, milling, turning machines. Some on the shop floor, both on the mechanical build side. They also spend time within the design department, as well as the sales and project works.
The training at the college has been really good. All the instructors are very friendly, helpful. There's all new state-of-the-art stuff like 3D printers, CNC machines, lathes. It's all just really good stuff down there.
Well, currently we are on block release at college, so we'll, for example, do 4 weeks at the depot, get into know the teams, do lots of jobs here, and then we'll go and spend 4 weeks at college, which would involve all our practical work, such as our basic house wiring, your bench fitting, welding and so on. It helps us in a sense that we've got those basic engineering skills, so when we come here we can transfer what we learn at college and bring it here to work.
I'd say engineering is definitely a career that girls can get into because there's such a wide range of job roles within the engineering industry.
They support all HNC and degree prospects, which I feel that really helps if we want to further our education.
The work is there. And it's such an exciting opportunity, I think, for so many young females coming out of school and looking at what their opportunities are. Previously, there were set determined paths that they could follow, but now we're seeing more and more women coming through, and not just the initial level, but also going all the way up to the top into management positions. And it just shows you if you're committed and you're passionate about something, then you really can achieve those objectives.
Females should definitely look into a career within engineering, as there's equal amount of opportunities for females as well as males.
The training of engineers for civil aviation is a highly regulated and highly specified process. PROCAT actually has helped us to develop the programme and delivers a programme that continues to meet the changing requirements of our business. The main focus, however, is on apprentice-trained engineers because that's the bulk of what we do. Most of the work we do is hands-on, it's actually physically maintaining the aeroplanes, so it is our main focus as a business.
And you're straight into it, straight in the deep end, so you're getting the experience you need as well as learning at the same time, so you're getting both the theory and the practical side of the job, which what the company wants.
I applied for an apprenticeship with Thales because I had a friend who already worked for them and he told me they have great benefits and they're a great company to work for. My training at the college has been really helpful. They have a lot of modern equipment which really helps me to get an idea of what it's going to be like in the field before I actually get there, so it's very helpful. I did consider going to university, but I decided on an apprenticeship because I had the opportunity to earn while I learn, and plus coming out at the end with no fees is just a double bonus.
What we're looking to do now is, rather than trying to second guess what employers need, we're going to talk to the employers, we're going to have that conversation and make sure that we're actually doing exactly what they need to help bridge the gap with the skills shortage that we have in this country at the moment.
I think it's a very good opportunity. I think it gets you into the industry at a young age. If you look at many apprentices now, they're directors and managers, and they're very high roles. So I think it's a very good way to go.
I would definitely recommend apprenticeships to others. There's things in industry that you can learn that you just can't learn at university, and without working here, there's definitely aspects that I would not learn elsewhere. My ambitions is to go as high as the business will allow me, but for now, team leader is good enough for me.
If you're thinking about working in the engineering or construction industry, really your only choice is PROCAT.